Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you step by step on how to disconnect Metamask from Pinksale. First, go to pinksale.finance. As you can see on the top right hand side is already connected to my wallet because you could see at the start of the my wallet address there. So to disconnect it, go to your mobile and click Metamask. Once you click that and log into your Metamask account, on the top right left hand side, the 4 bars, click that. Once you click that, then go down and click settings where it says settings. Once you do that, then you go down a little bit and click where it says experimental. Once you click that, then it will direct you to wallet connect sessions. In this is where you will see which sites is connected to your Metamask. In this case is Pinksale. So to disconnect it, click it with your hands. Once you do that, then it will say end. Then you then a small window will come up and says session end, and then you just click OK. Once you do that, it's fully disconnected from your Metamask account. As you can see on the top right hand side right now, it says connect because it's fully disconnected. That's how you disconnect Metamask from Pinksale. Thank you for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.